Okay, in this video we're going to talk about duplicating an estimate and why you'd want to do that. So a lot of times customers will come to us in the contractor or construction industry and they say, well, we do, installation of, let's pretend, solar panels on homes for residential. Okay. And pretty much every job is exactly the same. It's just varying based on, roof size and things like that. But, when it comes to the parts and the services that go into the job, every estimate has the same baseline. Then we just have to edit the quantities. So we get that a lot. So one of the things that we talked about in a previous video is we talked about using find and select possibly and setting up custom fields at the item level so that it can mass fill in estimates that way. But the easiest way to do it is we create a couple of estimates that are tied to maybe a generic customer. We'll call it Fourlane, right? So my Fourlane customer. And those estimates are going to be for standard projects. And we can call it, Fourlane kitchen remodel, Fourlane bathroom remodel, Fourlane solar panel installation. And so what we do with it is we have our standard, right, that we have pre-built. So the estimate that is our flat estimate, we just don't have our quantities filled in yet, right? And then what we can do is anytime you need to quote out a job that does, new construction as an example, we pull up that estimate out of the Fourlane area and then we create a copy of it. Okay. When we create a copy of it, we can now choose a different job or set up a new job if we wanted to and start to fill in the quantities, right? So it's basically giving us that baseline project that we do all the time and allowing us to replicate or duplicate it over and over and over again. Right? So that is duplicating an estimate.